Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that how to create account on PI app. Firstly, you have to download PI app and here you can create account using Facebook and mobile number. Now I will create account using mobile number. Here you will select country code and enter mobile number. And here you will enter email ID and go to next step and create your password. And here you will enter your name and create username. And finally you can enter invitation code for 25 extra mining rate. So if you don't have invitation code, I will mention in description, you can use it and click on submit. So here you can see PI account has been created successfully. Thanks for watching.